Is your Anker power bank not charging? Let's get straight to fixing it with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, inspect your charging cable carefully. Look for any visible damage like fraying, bent connectors, or worn areas. A faulty cable is one of the most common causes of charging problems. Next, ensure the charging cable is properly connected to both the power bank and your charging source. Make sure both connections are firm and secure. Check the power bank's charging port for dust or debris. Use compressed air to carefully clean it out. A dirty port can prevent proper electrical contact. Make sure the power source you're using is working correctly. Try a different outlet, computer USB port, or wall adapter to rule out power source issues. If you're using a USB-C connection, newer devices like iPhones or Galaxy phones might try to reverse charge the power bank. Try using a USB-A to USB-C cable instead. Ensure you're using the correct charger for your specific Anker power bank model. Using an incompatible charger may lead to slow or no charging. If the battery is completely drained, the battery management system might not activate immediately. Fully charge the power bank to see if that resolves the problem. Important safety notice. Anker recalled some 535 PowerCore 20K models in June 2025 due to overheating and fire risks. Check your model number on the back. If it matches the recalled A1366 model, stop using it immediately and contact Anker for a refund. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most Anker power bank charging issues. If your device still won't charge after trying these solutions, you may need advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Anker power bank charging issues, it's time for advanced solutions. We'll cover reset methods and essential maintenance practices. The first advanced step is resetting your power bank. This can resolve issues like inconsistent charging, overheating, and inaccurate battery indicators. For most Anker power banks, follow these steps. Turn off the device, disconnect all cables, locate the reset button if present, press and hold it for a few seconds, then turn the power bank back on. Some Anker Prime models have a specific reset method. Connect the micro input port and USB output port together using the provided cable for about 15 seconds. Then disconnect when the LED lights stop flashing. For Anker Prime model A1340 specifically, hold the power button for 5 seconds, then press the button 5 times. Make sure the screen is on before starting this process. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing charging issues. Proper care extends your power bank's lifespan and ensures reliable performance. Charge your power bank regularly, even when not in use. Aim for every 3 months to maintain battery health. Always use the original cable or a compatible one from a reputable brand. Avoid overcharging and undercharging. Unplug the power bank once it's fully charged and don't let it completely drain. Keep it clean with a soft, dry cloth and store it away from extreme temperatures. If problems persist after resetting and following maintenance practices, check the Anker website for firmware updates specific to your model. Some newer power banks can be updated to improve charging functionality. Remember, proper maintenance prevents most charging issues. Regular care and following these troubleshooting steps will keep your Anker power bank functioning reliably for years to come.